Welcome to our guide on the best budget extra virgin olive oil for 2024. In this video, we'll explore top-rated choices that offer exceptional quality without breaking the bank. From flavor profiles to sourcing practices, we'll delve into what makes these olive oils stand out. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply seeking the best value, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 5. The Pompeian USDA Certified Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil Nonstick Cooking Spray offers a convenient and flavorful option for cooking enthusiasts. Packaged in a single 5 fluid ounces bottle, this cooking spray is perfect for salads, pasta, and various culinary creations. Crafted with air pressure only and containing no propellants or additives, Pompeian cooking sprays prioritize taste and quality. The robust flavor of this olive oil spray is ideal for enhancing dishes, starting with a sauté and ending with a drizzle. Imported and first cold-pressed, Pompeian ensures authenticity with certification from the North American Olive Oil Association. With a commitment to quality dating back to 1906, Pompeian prides itself on offering 100% farmer-crafted olive oil. Certified USDA organic, naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified by the Non-GMO Project, Pompeian's extra virgin olive oil spray provides reassurance for health-conscious consumers. In summary, Pompeian's organic extra virgin olive oil cooking spray offers a premium culinary experience, combining convenience, flavor, and quality. Whether you're sautéing, dressing salads, or drizzling pasta, this spray is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Pompeian's USDA Organic Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers a premium culinary experience with its rich flavor and exceptional quality. Available in a 24 fluid ounces bottle, this olive oil is expertly crafted from first cold-pressed olives by the olive oil people, ensuring authenticity and superior taste. With its full-bodied, robust flavor profile, Pompeian's Organic Robust EVO is perfect for enhancing salads, marinades, and various culinary creations. Ideal for sautéing and drizzling, this olive oil adds depth and richness to your dishes, elevating their flavor to new heights. Certified USDA organic, this olive oil is sourced from olives grown and nurtured by Pompeian's family of farmers. Imported and first cold-pressed, it is certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, ensuring quality and purity. Pompan is committed to quality, with its organic robust extra virgin olive oil being naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified by the Non-GMO Project. With a legacy dating back to 1906, Pompan continues to uphold its reputation for excellence in olive oil production. In summary, Pompeian's USDA Organic Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a premium choice for discerning chefs and home cooks alike, offering unparalleled flavor, authenticity, and quality for all your culinary needs. Number 3. Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers a delightful addition to your culinary endeavors with its smooth blend and subtle notes of pepper and herbs. Packaged in a convenient 16.9 fluid ounce bottle, this olive oil is cold extracted to preserve its natural flavors and health benefits. Pressed and bottled in Italy, this extra virgin olive oil is perfect for cooking, grilling, and adding a finishing touch to your dishes. Its versatility makes it a staple in any kitchen, elevating the taste of your favorite recipes. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, grilling meats, or drizzling it over freshly baked bread, Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil adds depth and richness to your culinary creations. Comparable to La Tourangelle Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil, this Amazon Fresh offering provides a premium alternative at an accessible price point. As an Amazon brand, you can trust in the quality and consistency of this product. In summary, Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a must-have for discerning cooks who appreciate the authentic taste and versatility of high-quality olive oil. Enhance your dishes and elevate your cooking with the smooth and flavorful essence of Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Number 2. Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a premium cooking oil that brings the heat to your kitchen. Packaged in a convenient 25.3 fluid ounce squeeze bottle, this olive oil is designed for everyday use, from frying to baking and everything in between. Crafted from single-farm Spanish EVO, Graza Sizzle features the super stable picul olive, known for its mellow flavor and high polyphenol content. Harvested in November and December, these mature olives yield a rich and robust oil that enhances the taste of your dishes. Whether you're cooking chicken cutlets, sheet pan veggies, fried rice, or even chocolate chip cookies, Sizzle adds a delicious depth of flavor. Its BPA-free squeeze bottle makes it easy to dispense just the right amount, ensuring that a little sizzle goes a long way in your culinary creations. Graza takes pride in delivering the real deal, no blending, no funny business. Just 100% picul olives from a single farm in Spain, ensuring the highest quality and authenticity in every bottle. In summary, Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a must-have for any kitchen, offering superior taste, versatility, and convenience in a unique squeeze bottle design. Elevate your cooking with the rich and flavorful essence of Graza Sizzle. Number 1. Pompeian USDA Organic Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a top-tier culinary companion for those seeking quality and taste in their cooking endeavors. Crafted by the olive oil people, this 16 fluid ounces bottle offers USDA-certified organic olive oil, first cold-pressed to preserve its authenticity and flavor. With its smooth and delicate taste, Pompeian Organic Smooth EVO is perfect for sautéing and stir-frying, adding a subtle yet enriching essence to your dishes. Ideal for a wide range of culinary applications, this olive oil enhances the flavors of your meals from start to finish. Pompan prides itself on delivering 100% farmer-crafted olive oil, a tradition upheld since 1906. Imported and first cold-pressed, this olive oil is certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, ensuring its quality and purity. Committed to quality and transparency, Pompeian Organic Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is USDA-certified organic, naturally gluten-free, and non-allergenic. It is also kosher and non-GMO verified by the Non-GMO Project, providing assurance to health-conscious consumers. In summary, Pompeian Organic Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a premium choice for discerning chefs and home cooks alike, offering superior taste, authenticity, and quality for all your culinary needs.